In this video, I'm going to show you the most powerful indicator that is available for TradingView, and you can make very good profits just by using this indicator. This is the bank's buying order and the bank selling order, and this indicator is very, very perfect. Like you can see, the price is going up from the bank buying order and it was rejected from the bank selling order. And if you go to the maximum pairs, for example, in the last 5 minutes, we have the drop on Euro AUD exactly from the bank selling level. But the story is not enough because we are going to highlight these things on a bigger picture, and I will tell you that why these levels are very, very strong. Okay, so for example, right now, if you just look at here, this is the gold 5 minute, and you can see the price is rejected from the bank selling level, and right now it's at here. Okay, but let me tell you which bank levels are going to work very stronger. Okay, so for example, now I'm going to go to the 1 hour chart, and you will be simply amazed that what happened last night, that when the price hits the bank selling level on the 1 hour chart, then you can see the price is simply down. Okay, if I go to 5 minute chart, then you will be able to see that bearish rally that we have caught yesterday. If you just look at this pointer, then you can see exactly from the bank selling level, this was our last order block that was available, the last level that was available on the bank buying, and you can see the price simply hit into the downward direction. And this indicator is better than using the other order blocks and something like this, because this is following the market patterns, and this is following the key levels which the market makers can target. Okay, for example, let's talk about it here. A USD CHF, right now it's in between the bank buying and bank selling. Okay, let me switch my chart to the 1 hour chart, and you can see what you see. There is no level above the 1 hour chart, and this could be our last selling zone for that USD CHF pair. And then from here we can find a reversal, and the reversals can be very big, and might be they are going to target the exactly bank buying order that are available below. So guys, if you want to book that indicator, you can visit our website fxmentorus.com. The link is given in the description of this video below. If you go to our website, go to the indicator section, our first two indicators, the big players and the bank indicator, they are listed on our website. And if you want to get these, then you can use the contact us option for Telegram, email, and our WhatsApp support number is also provided in the description of this video below. Okay guys, now I'm going to take you towards uh, toward the other indicator that is called the big players indicator. This indicator is very, very smart. As you can see, it consists of the three levels, and you can also change these levels by going into the depth setting. I will explain you later. Okay, so you just need to see that where the market is coming from. For example, you can see this trade is expired. It was coming from the upper side, and right now the levels can change anytime because this trade is expired. This was the overbought levels of the market, and this is the oversold level of the market, and we will wait for the moving average, for the two moving averages to cross over each other, and you can see the price is down. Our first target will remain the middle green line, and then our second target will be the blue line, and this trade is now expired. It's not valid anymore. Even if we go to Euro USD, then you can see this trade is expired because from the overbought we have the bearish crossover here, and then you can see the price simply targeted the first level, and then the second level trade expired. If we go to USD CHF, then you can see that this is the maximum overbought levels of the market, and after that, once we will have a bearish crossover, we can enter into the sell. Okay, the market is ranging here, so let's leave that pair. Okay, USD CAD. Okay, USD CAD is very important. Okay, now you can see we will not plan any trade at the blue level. You will wait for the two moving averages to cross over like this, and then you will first target the green level, and then if the price still wants to go up, then our second target will remain the top green line. And these are the most powerful indicators for TradingView. So guys, if you want to book the lifetime version of this indicator, contact us through our website fxmentorus.com. Please visit the description of this video. You can contact on Telegram, you can directly email us, and you can also contact on our WhatsApp support number. All of the links are given in the description of this video below. Thank you very much.